In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on Shein. Whether you've moved, are traveling, or just need accurate shipping options and pricing, updating your country setting ensures you see the right products, delivery times, taxes, and currency for your destination. First, open the Shein app or head to the Shein website in your browser. Give it a moment to load fully so the homepage and menu appear. If you already had it open, returning to the home screen can help make the setting easy to find. Next, look for the small globe icon. On the website, it's usually at the top of the page near the search bar or in the footer. In the app, it often appears on the home screen header. The icon may show a flag, a region name, or a currency label. It's the quick way Shein lets you control your shopping location. Tap or click that globe icon to open the country and region panel. From the list, choose the country or region where you want items delivered. This choice controls which warehouse serves you, which sizes in stock you see, and how duties or taxes are estimated at checkout. Pick the destination that matches where you'll actually receive your order, not necessarily where you are browsing from right now, to avoid delays or unavailable shipping options. Right below or alongside the country selection, you can choose a currency if needed. Some locations automatically pair with a default currency, but you can often switch it. Selecting your local currency helps you avoid surprises from exchange rates and bank conversion fees, and it makes it easier to compare prices at a glance. Just remember that currency conversions on the site are estimates. Your payment provider may finalize the exact rate. After confirming your country or region and your preferred currency, click Save or Apply to lock in the changes. The page may reload on its own. If it doesn't, refresh it to make sure everything updates. A quick refresh ensures product availability, prices, and shipping details reflect your new location, and it helps the app or site clear any old settings. That's it. From here, browse as usual and keep an eye on the shipping options shown on product pages and at checkout. If you don't see the expected updates, give the page another refresh and try again. You can repeat these same steps anytime you need to switch countries in the future, especially if you're shopping for someone in a different location or planning to receive an order while traveling.